Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable close windows automatically when traveling at high speeds on your XPeng vehicle. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up your devices, sorry, not devices, but the vehicle settings. Here, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and simply tap on window and door. And from window and door, we're going to scroll down until we see window section. And the second switch from the top is close windows automatically when traveling at high speeds. So whenever you're traveling at high speeds, the windows will automatically close so that the wind does not distract you. And here you can easily just enable it back. You can close them, you can disable them. And that's basically it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.